If you do business development for treatment or medical programs, you're probably walking past a lot of money every month for your center and for yourself, and it's all sitting in one place. Detox eligible patients, no one is billing correctly. Most programs we talk to already see those patients. They come in the front door, clearly need detox, get sent to a hospital or another program, and 40 to 50% of them could have gone through a structured ambulatory protocol in-house. When you put a real ambulatory detox line in, built on a conservative 425s per day, the numbers get very real, very fast. Even tiny volume looks like this. 3 ambulatory detox patients a week, $38,000 per month, $456,000 per year. 5 patients a week, $64,000 per month, $768,000 per year. 10 patients a week, $127,000 per month, $1.5 million per year. That's just from running appropriate patients through ambulatory instead of shipping them out. It gets better. Many of those patients step into your own PHP, IOP, or residential. Once they stabilize, you can bill aftercare visits every other week. That's a recurring revenue tail most centers don't even have systems for yet. We help them build that. And if your center already has medical detox, ambulatory doesn't compete with it, it improves it. You move appropriate cases to ambulatory, keep the truly acute ones in medical, and your margins go up instead of down. So that's the center's upside. Now let's talk about yours. When your introduction leads to an ambulatory detox install, you get 10% of the install fee, paid as we get paid. On a typical treatment center install, that's about $5,000 to you, tracked in software so there's no mystery math. You're not doing extra paperwork. Your job is spot centers and clinics that clearly see detox-eligible patients. Make a warm introduction and give us the insider intel. Who really decides what politics matter, what EHR and billers they use. Stay in the loop as we run the growth map session, and if it's a fit, install. And once ambulatory detox is in, you suddenly have a new channel to hunt in your territory. You can legitimately walk into pain clinics, surgeon offices, anesthesiology groups, high-volume primary care managing opiate-tolerant patients with a simple either ROT or we can help you install an ambulatory detox line yourself, or you can start sending appropriate patients to the ambulatory program we just helped set up. Either way, you're the person who brought them a concrete way to de-risk surgery and clean up complex opiate cases. Anesthesiologists especially care a lot. If a patient goes under on heavy opiates and things go sideways, their name is on that chart. You're not selling a brochure. You're solving a safety and liability problem that already keeps them up at night. On top of that, you've always got other treatment centers in your orbit. When you help one of them install ambulatory detox, you can get paid on that install and potentially consult on their BD strategy, train their outreach team on how to work pain clinics, surgeons, and medical partners in their area, or even run some of that outreach for them as a side engagement. So you're stacking income. Commission on ambulatory detox installs. Optionally, fees for helping other centers execute the outreach play. And as we add CRM and AI-driven reporting tools into those programs, you can participate in that revenue as well. Now, credibility and safety. You are not responsible for defending codes, rates, or clinical protocols. We bring Mike, who has designed and installed every ambulatory detox program we're talking about. Real references from existing installs. An insurance validator who's already gone through this in the real world. On rates. Every major payer, including Medicaid in the right markets, pays the 425-day level we're basing these projections on. The only tricky one is Blue Cross. We know how to deal with them, but we don't build anyone's entire model on BCBS alone. So here's what I'd like you to do next. Think about the center you work for, and 2 or 3 other treatment programs, pain clinics, or surgical offices in your network that see opiate-tolerant patients regularly. If you want to turn ambulatory detox into a new line for your programs, a new channel of targets you can actually help, and a new commission stream for yourself, click the link with this video and book a short BD-only call with us. On that call, we'll map your current book of relationships against the 40-50% conversion rule, size the opportunity in monthly and annual terms, walk you through exactly how the comp works, and if you're interested, talk about more advanced ways to get paid by helping other centers in your network roll this out. If you're tired of just dropping brochures and hoping for referrals, and you'd rather be the rep who brings a real operating and revenue solution into your market, this is the play.